Here we have a real dataset of 6 people's cell phones that were tracked over a period of 1 month. The user interface consists of multiple coordinated views of the data. In the top left view, a matrix shows each person as a row and also as a column. Each cell contains the number of times that 2 people met. For example, Fred and Bob met 8 times over the whole month. The matrix makes it easy to find subset of people who met frequently, as well as subsets of people who met rarely. Upon selecting a subset of meetings in the matrix, the map on the top right updates to display the regions where the meetings took place. The map can also be scrolled or zoomed for more detail. Along the bottom, we have a Gantt chart, where time is plotted on the horizontal axis, and the vertical axis shows locations and people. The Gantt chart can be scrolled and zoomed. White and gray bars along the bottom edge show alternating day and night, respectively. Gray bands within the Gantt chart show the duration of each meeting, while horizontal line segments show individual people arriving and leaving a meeting. We can optionally color code these segments so that each person has their own color. Another option displays connective line segments that follow the movements of people from meeting to meeting. These connective lines are called world lines. By default, the top rows in the Gantt chart correspond to the locations with the most activity. This makes it easy to see where people most frequently visited. We can optionally sort the rows in the opposite direction so that infrequently visited locations appear at the top, making it easy to see outlier activity. Upon rolling the mouse over a meeting, the map smoothly animates to show the region of the meeting, while more details about the meeting are shown on the Gantt chart. An explicit link is also drawn in black to the map location. The person under the cursor is highlighted in the matrix view on the top left. We can also enable a tooltip that appears beside the cursor, or enable eccentric labels showing all the people at a meeting. The user may wish to hide intervals of time where there is no activity. To do this, we enable folding. This allows us to see multiple meetings in detail, side by side within the same window, without having to zoom or scroll as much as would be necessary without folding. During folding and unfolding, an animated transition smoothly distorts the Gantt chart. Folded regions are shown with shading and perspective to enhance perception, and labels below the folded regions show the amount of time folded away, such as 13 hours or 3 hours. The Gantt chart supports 2 modes. Currently, the chart is in location-centric mode. Within each location, there are multiple people shown as horizontal colored line segments. We can also switch to the alternative person-centric mode, in which locations are nested within people. For example, these locations are all within this person, Bob. But as we scroll, we can see the names of multiple people indicated on the left, with each person containing the locations they visited. Solid horizontal lines mark the divisions between different people. The user may interactively increase or decrease the height of the rows in the Gantt chart to adjust the number of visible rows. A scroll bar appears if the number of rows exceeds the vertical space available. To support annotation by a data analyst, each location's label can be changed to a more memorable name by clicking on it.